Hello, today I will be telling you what I learned about our space unit. Okay, so our first lesson was about planets. We learned about the solar system and the planets in order, closest to the sun and farthest to the sun. And it goes by Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, otherwise known as my very educated mother just served us nachos. Our second lesson was about space technology. It was how we on Earth benefit from space exploration, like the cordless vacuum, the ear thermometer, foam, the CO detector, and freeze-dried food. Our third lesson was the news article, and we read it. Good stuff. Our fourth lesson was the space research project and presentation. And what we had to do is there was a bunch of questions, we had to answer them, and they're about NASA. And the big question was, should we support NASA? Why yes and no. Our fifth lesson was astronauts and space travel, what they eat and how they eat. They eat dried food and packed food. Our sixth lesson that we did was plan an Instagram, and what we had to do is we each got to choose our planet, and we got these cards, and we got to draw what we wanted on them to show our planet. So yeah, I got Earth. These are my three things. Our seventh lesson was contributions of space exploration. And this is what we got from space exploration. We got dried meals, ski equipment, sunglasses, UV protection, high-tech insulators, hyperspectral imaging of chicken products, and air conditioning and heaters. The eighth lesson we got was tomato sphere. And what we did was we got two packages, of tomato seeds. One package was from space and the other one wasn't. And we planted them, and then we saw which one was from space and which one wasn't. Our ninth lesson was lunar landscape. And we learned about the craters, the mareas, and the rills. So, and we made these wonderful moons. Yes. So these are the craters, the holes, and then these are the mareas, the dark spots, and here are the rills. Yeah. Our 10th lesson was the Earth's layers. So what we did was we got clay and we made an Earth. Thank you, Miss Dunn, for that. It was fun. So what we did was this is the inner core, the outer core, and then the mantle, and then the crust, and then the water, and then land. Yeah, and this is a mini version of our Earth. Our 11th lesson was the Earth day and night cycle. And we got the sheet and we filled it in there. So, the world revolves around the sun every year, so 365 days, and it rotates every 24 hours, which gives us night and day. So whenever the Earth is facing the sun, where Canada is, then we get day. But India, which is on the other side of the world, that's night.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, yeah. Our 12th lesson was the Earth's orbit. And yes, this is just saying how it revolves around the sun every 365 days a year. So yeah. Now, the phases of the moon. And what we did was we got a sheet. Wrong sheet. Well, what we did for phases of the moon is we got like this calendar, and then every day we would have to mark down like what phase of the moon there is. And also for that lesson we got Oreos. Yeah, and we made like moons. It was really fun and yummy. Okay, now lesson 14. The constellation's keychain. And what we did is we got these cool cardboard circles, and we searched up a bunch of constellations, and then we poked holes and we learned a lot about them. And now what they're meant for is you can grab a flashlight and shine them on the back, and then you can see the constellation. So, and the constellations I chose to do are Draco, Leo, Capella, Cepheus, and the Big Dipper. Wait, yes. And our 15 project, well, our 15 lesson was the video I'm making right now. So, Ms. Dunn, thank you for everything that you taught me.